VMware Barcelona again this year, and we are at the Zerto booth. And I'm going to ask a few questions Gilbert, who is working at Zerto as a technical evangelist. Gilbert, tell me more about Zerto's latest features, please.
Yeah, sure. So we released our latest version, Zerto 7.5, about a month and a half ago. And it was really focused on strengthening our relationship with partners. So we partner with, for example, HPE, who's right next to us. We partner with VMware, of course, we're at VMworld. And we really worked on strengthening that partnership. So with VMware, we added support for the VAIO framework, which is coming up in the next couple of months. We've integrated tighter with things like storage DRS on the recovery VMs to do better resource management. We added support for HPE Store 1s as one of our LTR targets, really integrating with their Catalyst API. But we also added some new features around our workflows. Even people always say it's really easy to use. We made it even easier with new workflows for JFLR, journal file level recovery, but also the restore workflows. Just make it easier to find VMs, to find things, and to restore them and to get back to production again.
So actually right now, how long you can restore your VM from? For how long time?
However long you want. So you can go back to 30 years ago if you want to, because what we're doing with, and we actually introduced that in Zerto 7, we call it long-term retention, it's basically taking the journal or the recovery points you already have, and you can now offload those points into secondary storage, the more cost-effective storage, and keep them for however long you want, whatever you set the policy to. And it's not limited by any number right now.
And the secondary storage has to be on-site or it can be off-site?
So it can be off-site as well. So everything Zerto does is replicating to a target side. And with the difference with like traditional backup is we'll never touch the production VM again. So we're actually taking that secondary copy and use that secondary copy to source the backup. So it's already remote. And it could be anything NFS, SMB. We have tight integration with HPE Store 1s, but we support other deduplicated devices as well.
Any thoughts what can be on the roadmap?
Absolutely. So more tighter integration with things like cloud storage targets, even deeper integration with VMware, of course. We're looking at many things. I mean, VMware keeps talking about Tanzu and other projects as well. We keep a close eye on that as well. And I would like to invite you to ZertoCon and hear all about the good stuff we have coming for the next, let's say, 18 months.
Thanks very much for the interview.
Thank you, Vladan.